Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of one of my favorite themed kits to date, the March Me Time VillaBeautifful kit. So let's get started. Let's start off with our papers. You get 4 8.5 by 11 double-sided decorative sheets of paper. Lots of neutral tones with a pop of glittery gold for this month's color scheme, and a lot of abstract designs that kind of remind me of Saved by the Bell. You also get 2 specialty sheets of paper, so this is one of the vellum prints. And here is the other. I love this eyelash pattern on this one. Next up is the large journaling card with the abstract design on the back and then the bath scene deco. And the smaller card that says take time to make your soul happy, and I'm loving all of these decorative icons on here. Those are really cute. Then we have the full sheet of stickers, so you get 2 full sheets this month. Here are the full boxes, and I love that she has the option for you to choose if you want Erin Condren boxes, Happy Planner boxes. It's all on the order sheet, so that's a really neat feature of these kits. And then here we have banner flags, icons, boxes, and clipboards. So those are the 2 full sheets. You also get 7 mini sheets with this kit, so let's flip through those. We've got some headers, decorative washi strips, 2 different deco versions of the date covers, checklist and circle icons, half boxes, some deco and phrases. This shirt is me. And then the last page is this really pretty deco sheet. I need like 1,000 more of these. I hope she brings these to the shop just as individual sale because these are so great to use no matter what kit you're using. So those are all of the stickers. The kit also included this little package pouch with a pen, some washies, and other accessories. So let's open it up and get a closer look. And here's this month's VB pin. It is nude with silver hardware and pink and white crystals. It is the perfect neutral planner accessory and will go great with so many different kits and planners and setups. These are gel pins, and if you love her VB pins as much as I do, be sure to go to shopvillabeautifful.com and check out the pin section where you can find all the different color combinations that are available. You also get a planner charm with a cute little tassel and a sparkly charm. You also get 2 VillaBeautifful exclusive washi tapes with your kits. So this one is a foiled grid pattern, and this of course is the eyelash pattern. Next up is this 3-pack of double-sided puffy planner clips. You get a potted succulent, a nap queen shirt, and a kitty cat coffee mug. This is so perfect. I love this. And last but not least, we have this month's sticky note pad. I am so obsessed with how original and unique all of VillaBeautifful's sticky note pads are. These are so cute with such a great design and still plenty of room to write. I am going to be laminating these and sticking them everywhere. And that does it for this unboxing. Did you know when you buy VillaBeautifful kits, you also get matching digital art emailed to you each month? Just another awesome feature that makes this my favorite kit. If you're interested in more information, head to shopvillabeautifful.com or feel free to leave your questions in the comments. Don't forget to check out the description below for shop links and my discount codes. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thanks everybody. Bye.